Today we're going to be unboxing the System Sensor P2HR low frequency sounder horn strobe. This is a new fire alarm that I just got in the mail today, and I've done this so that way I can sync the strobes to my fire alarm system on the MS9200 UDLS adjustable fire alarm demo board. So it's got a few features. It has a plug-in design, and it's very easy to install because it's a single screw attach. It can find a selectable candela, and it's compatible with the sync protocol, so that's going to be perfect. And in fact, I actually have two of these. I just unboxed one, so I'll show you the other one in a little bit once we're done unboxing this. Anyways, let's begin. It's hard to do it with one hand, sorry. So here's the inside. Our horn is right here, strobe. Here's the back plate. It only has 3 screws for some reason. Most fire alarms usually have 4 on them. It's a little plastic thingy on there. But let's get to the main horn first, which is the more important part. Here it is. It looks so brand new too. This is a 2023 model. Back to what I was doing. It looks so modern, and this is a 2023 version. It's currently inside a little cardboard box, so just give me a few seconds. Okay, I'm back. And here is the full fire alarm. I really like this design. And they actually have another one of these, which is the very loud ear-piercing one, which is the P2R, which is the regular System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced. So, has a giant horn on top, has the fire letterings on there. It's currently set to 135 candela, and that's obviously a low frequency sounder. On the inside, you can see where the screw hole goes. I don't know if you can see. And on the back, we have a few features we can modify. First up is the model number on there, if this camera could focus. P2RH. I thought it was an HR. My bad. I guess I'm wrong. My model numbers today. It has a few different coding selections. It's currently set to temp 3, which is code 3. And the second one is continuous, which is obviously the continuous horn sounding. And number 3 is the coded, so it can code it to the panel. Over here is the candela select, so we can... Wait, what? Over here is the candela select, so I could select my candela like from low to bright high. And we're obviously doing the high brightness, so we're just gonna slide it. Oh, this is actually more tough. Yeah, this is tough. Hold on. Okay, I fixed it. Now it's set to 185 candela. As you can see, we flip the switch. And when you flip the switch, it actually moves the candela. See, now it's at 135. They have more options, like 150. But we're just going to go to the maximum brightness. 185. So yeah, that's that. What else is on the inside here? Looks like a little oh hey, there's the screws. Looks like a little instruction thingy. Not sure what it is. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back. There's the screws. I got it out of the bag, but this metal part I cannot take off, so we're just gonna leave it like that. But other than that, that is the entire fire alarm unboxing. So let me show you my second design, which is all the way back here, right here. So I have 2 of these, so that we can install it on this board right here, because we have 2 System Sensor Masses 2475 ADAs, which are really old and they do not sync well. We tested this and they just don't sync the strobes. We tried everything in the panel settings, but they just don't want to continue syncing together for strobes. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, I actually have another alarm from Christmas. This is a Federal Signal 450D vibraton horn. It's a vintage horn, and it's pretty much one of my favorites. These were installed in my middle school, and they just look really retro, and I pretty much like it. On the bottom, it shows that it's a vibraton horn, and its brightness is, I actually don't know, 0.35 candela, 80% voltage, and the model numbers right there. Here's the back of it, obviously 4 wires and stuff like that. I did make a little testing video on this, so I'll be testing this again, and we might hook it up to my fire panel one day. Yes, we also have another big horn, but it's on maintenance right now, so we're just trying to fix it. So that's pretty much going to be the unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm going to get the plastic off this because we don't need that. Sorry for the mess that's in my room. I still need to clean it. So this is for this one for this one. What I noticed is that this one was actually in 2012. This one's the 2023. Very big difference, but they're still the same thing. So anyways, hope you guys have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video. And maybe one day I'll start setting these up. All right, see ya.